Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep and welcome to my YouTube channel. And before I start today's video, a small request. Do like and subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest updates about Dubai real estate. And today in this video, I will brief you about Reem townhouses at Town Square Nashama by Nashama Developers. So Nashama has just announced that they're launching the brand new phases of townhouses by the name Reem Townhouses within the master project of Town Square Nashama. So these are 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses. The average size of a 3 bedroom is around 2,200, wherein the 4 bedroom is about 2,400. All the 3 bedrooms are the middle units and 4 bedrooms are at the corner. The payment plan is really simple. You have to pay 50% during the construction and 50% at the time of handover. And the handover is in December 2023. So just approximately 2 years away from the handover, this Reem townhouses are. The location, if I talk about Nashama Town Square, the location is, this whole community is on the Al Qudra Road, and the major milestones such as Burj Khalifa is about 35 minutes away from Town Square, Marina is around 25 to 30 minutes, Blue Water is around 30 minutes, the Expo side is around 15 minutes, and the Al Maktoum Airport is about 30 minutes, wherein the Global Village is around 15 minutes, and the Old Airport would be around 30-35 minutes from the location. And majority of people, as I know, they work towards Jebel Ali and towards Business Bay downtown. They don't have any problems. I mean, the traveling distance would still be around 30 minutes from work to home and from home to work as well. And if I talk about the amenities within the project, it's awesome. I mean, the fact is there are few communities within the project which is already delivered and people are living, and the occupancy rate is so high and the satisfaction rate is so high within the residents there, because we have multiple options in swimming pools, we have multiple gyms, we have multiple courts, and we have some world famous brands already operating within the community such as Starbucks, Spinneys, Carrefour. They're already there. So the people who live in Nashama, they enjoy a very active and healthy lifestyle with all the options within the project. They have a huge central park in between, like we can go ahead and see the central park, and you can see and you can feel the energy. There's a certain vibe about Nashama as a community. I would call it as a flamboyant community. The developer is young and new comparatively to the other developers, and they're delivering the product which matches their energy as well. So if you're looking for something which gives your life, some colors, some energy, a vibrant lifestyle, Nashama is an ideal place for you. Rest, if you want to discuss what all are the options, how many townhouses are there, what is the layout, what is the master plan, you have my number on the screen. Give me a call and we will discuss each and every aspect about Nashama townhouses, Reem in particular, the latest launch. And if you want, I can take you to the location and you can see yourself the existing portfolio of Nashama, which includes townhouses and apartments, and also the site where they're gonna build this Reem townhouses. It's more towards the Emirates Road, and the beauty of this phase is you will be closest to the school plots. So anything else you want to know, you have my number on the screen. Give me a call and we'll discuss in detail. Thank you so much. Keep supporting.